is great.
Now let it back, send it back to it. Let's go down.
Oops.
Yeah, some fishing on it.
Here. Oh no.
That's dark. Okay.
You get that?
Derek!
Derek.
Derek!
Wave.
Derek!
Wave.
Wave! Bye-bye!
Wave.
Bye-bye!
What is that?
Oh boy.
He likes to run.
You bet. Derek took his first few steps about 10 days ago, and ever since then he's been doing really well.
And so, how old is he? How many months?
He's
9 and a half.
9.5.
That's great.
He'll be 10 months on the 13th of June. Today's the
Boy.
9th of June, so he's almost 10.
He's the fast one.
Whoa.
But he's been walking since he was about, 9.5.
I think we need to get some music on Letting Dance.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
Do the dance.
Let's see.
Here, walk to Paula.
Come on.
Walk to Paula.
Come on. Come on.
You want good me.
Now, you bet.
Break dance. Come on, Derek. Break dance.
Okay, go.
At 2189 East, ready to take a tour of the Hobson residence. As you see out front, we have Dad with Derek.
Wave.
In the tree. Can you wave?
That's Paula.
Can,
She's over there.
Derek, can you say hello to the camera?
Oh,
Can you smile? Perfect. Okay, let's go inside the house. Take a tour.
We just redecorated the house. We had some smoke damage. We had a kerosene heater during the winter and malfunctioned and put smoke through the house, so we had to redecorate the whole place. And it was a lot of work, but it was a lot of fun too. Now we're really
So what
enjoying it.
exactly did you do? Repaint?
Well,
and-
we redid practically everything. These lights you see, we put those in and we painted throughout the house. We put wallpaper in every room, and we replaced all the drapes with blinds. Recarpeted, and we're still doing some odds and ends. We're put some new lights in.
Sure looks nice. I can't tell it was the same house.
No,
Used to have brown carpet. And
yeah,
now
it
it's
used to have
gray.
be brown inside and really ugly gold drapes, and the paint was a lot darker, and without the recessed lights it was really dingy. So
Okay, yeah. It was almost a fortunate thing to have happened.
yeah,
So there was the front room, and now we'll go back and go into the kitchen.
this is the kitchen. We put a fluorescent light in this room here, give some extra light.
Yeah.
And I wasn't going to do anything in the kitchen, but Diane said that she thought it needed something, so we, Diane went and got some wallpaper and put this up, and it turned out really well. It just happened that everything, all the accessories we had matched perfectly, so. And I think it really made a big difference.
Yes, I love it. It's perfect.
We still need to get a few things. We need to get a kitchen table and
still
chairs.
on the table.
But boy, it's come a long way, boy.
Yeah, I tell you.
Okay, should we head on down?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go and
Well,
do
yeah,
outside.
Paul.
Okay, guys. Come on, let's go outside.
This is our bedroom. We did. It's almost finished, except I still need to paint the closet doors and put hardware on, because it was all a different color, and I did most everything else in white, and this is an off-white.
Looks very nice. I love the colors.
Okay.
Diane
stop,
likes
stop.
pink,
Good.
as you can see. So I can see it. This is our bathroom. We're gonna put a vanity in next, and put a nice mirror and vanity lights. Put a glass enclosure over the tub,
That's neat.
and put the door on.
Well, now that you're finished with school for the,
Yeah, I've been
you'll
in
have
school.
a few weeks to do that before it starts again, and then only how many more classes?
I've got 4 classes.
Boy, so close.
Yeah, so we're almost there.
Really? Okay.
This is the extra bedroom.
This
This
is
is
fun.
the guest
Called
room.
the little girls'
The
room.
little girl's room, in hopes that second time around,
Yeah.
that's what it will be. Huh?
And this is Derek's room. He has a lot of fun in here.
Look at the cute boats and everything. He's got his crib all cozy.
Yeah.
He's got lots of toys.
You better believe it. He's spoiled.
As Dad puts it, spoiledy, spoiledy, huh?
Yeah.
He didn't. They found him a club.
I got my own pretty squishy though. Yeah, that's what I meant
For 8-year-olds,
on.
not for little babies, though. Get in
Oh,
there.
Derek, don't hurt Trent. Don't hurt him. You be nice.
There's another little person.
Yeah. Derek and Trent are 9 months apart, and they're really good friends. They get along really well, and I'm sure they will for a long time.
They give lots of hugs and kisses to one another.
You bet.
Derek's a good kisser.
Trent, give Derek a kiss. No?
No way.
Uh-oh.
I'm playing right now. Uh-oh.
Derek.
Recording now.
Whoops, sorry. All right, I must be going. Blake is running the machine.
He's trying to
I'm trying
get
to-
good pictures of all these millions of boys we have in our family.
Million, that's only 4.
Ooh, what you
Uh-oh.
doing, please?
What are you eating, Spencer?
Look at that. What
Huh?
are you eating?
Spencer needs a little help with his shoes still. He learned to tie them in preschool, but since Velcro shoes have entered our lives, they don't tie them very often. You might want a close-up of the bunny and the chick. That might
Okay, let's see if we can zero in on the bunny.
be. Hey, move.
Brandon spanking his bum.
Then it goes out of focus. Does it automatically,
It'll adjust after a minute.
okay. I'm in. It's not quite doing it. Oh well, we tried, folks.
Too close.
Look, last year hospitals dispensed 10 times as much Tylenol as the next 4 brands combined. Hospitals can trust Tylenol to give effective relief without the stomach irritation possible with aspirin or any other type of therapy. Well, if hospitals use Tylenol, shouldn't... Tell me it's in the complex.
Fine, out your way. Don't look at me.
I think I'll move my truck.
Oh, Mom. Watch Derek. Yeah, watch the kid's head. Chris was asking you to be killed there, wasn't he? He's gonna get it again.
What's up there, anyways?
So far. There's a ball up there. Yeah, it's not a big deal.
A windshield broken, but
Say hi.
can you say hi?
Get up there.
Hi.
It's my birthday, my first birthday today.
Say number 1. Show us number 1.
Oh, like this.
There it comes.
Number 1, Derek.
Can you do that?
Up on the higher limb.
Film the day.
1 year old.
Number 1.
I've got it on, Diane. Whoever said that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Especially if and then he went in and got that telephone. And he just had it
Courtney,
and
did you
Tom
hear
said,
me?
Cute snowsuit.
No, sir. He will look absolutely darling. This is from Grandma and Grandpa Nelson. I mean,
I haven't seen Grandpa Nelson. Where's he?
Grandpa's with Great Grandma.
Oh, is she doing okay or not?
No, she's not. She's not doing too good.
She had a stroke a while ago.
This is
He's
from
gonna wear that when he goes golfing, see? Because his dog's
This is from Corey and Steve and
Denied
Megan
tickets.
Shaw.
The cart. Now where's the golf clubs?
Oh,
So
that's
he can
cute.
wear this to the youth of your game.
Hey, Courtney.
And this is from Brandon and Spencer and Trent and Paula and Bob. And Derek is going to love this. He loves shapes. This, Derek has already found this and he loves the wheels. And this is from the Garretts. And that's Pat and David.
And all of those people, huh?
Tyler and Brooke. Who's next?
Parker, Nat,
Amber and Matt. Matt's before Amber.
Wait, I got that.
Oh. This is from Mike and Tammy Schilling. It's a little cold toy. It's really cute.
Oh.
This is from the Thatchers. And that's Craig and Connie, Courtney and Janai, and Brittany. And we can't find these because Janai has stolen them.
Queen
Derek.
Golf Club.
Derek,
Clubs.
Derek?
Show them to Paula.
Oh, those are so cute.
he's going golfing.
Boys,
Tell him.
what's your name, sweetheart?
Tell him.
No, not him, not
Can you
him.
tell me your name?
What do you mean, not anybody?
What is your name?
Did you hear what I
You
said?
don't want to tell me? What's your name?
He's hired us.
Janai, huh? Cutie, big eyes. Right here. You. Janai, say I'm Janai. There's the birthday cake. Unfortunately, the photographer didn't get here before it got cut. It was a happy birthday, though. A lot of people.
Derek,
Oh, he's got his golf bag. What happened to your clubs? Did all your cousins take them? I think so. He's lost a shoe. One of those things that little kids always do.
socks falling down. And everybody plays with his toys.
And Dad's happy. He's only got 48 hours and he's all finished with college.
That's it.
That will be terrific.
Yeah. 40 Thanks, you guys.
For us to wait and miss
Mm-hmm.
because Spencer's and well, they're all growing so.
Dance, Derek.
Hey, you get up and dance.
Dance, Derek.
Okay, dance like this. Dance on it. Jump. You jump. Jump like that.
Nice, Derek.
Hey, Sturple.
Get down. All right. Atta boy.
Derek, do you have a toy you got for Christmas you want to show me? I haven't seen any of your Christmas things. Want to show me a toy?
Go get a toy.
Stop it now. It's good to get around in your house. I don't know if he's got the people. Ooh, that's a cute house. Did you get that for Christmas? Who gave that to you, Derek? Oh, for fun.
What is that, Derek? Where's the dog at?
Oh, there's the little boy. He's sleeping? The boy sleeping? There's the little boy. Oh. Can he go down the slide? Oh, he can go there. Yes. There are any more? Hot. Hot. Go show me how the boy goes down. How does the boy go down? Do you have a ball? Is that your ball, Derek? Right here? Throw Aunt Paula the ball. Throw me the ball.
Throw it.
Come on.
All right.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here, I'll give it back to you. Here you go. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Oh, get it. Uh-oh. Whoa. Uh-oh.
Ran it.
Throw me the ball. Whoops. Uh-oh. The fish, we're going to eat that one. Throw it to me. Oh, whoa. Wee. Here you go. It's going to be a high one. Look up in the sky. Here it comes, up in the sky. Boing. Gotta hit you on the head.
Go get the... Derek, where's your basketball?
What's that?
There it is.
Right.
That has to be inside at all times.
Right. Well, ours was inside until it got thrown into the...
Oh, he just has to have it near him at all the time.
Trent decided to put it in the bathtub. It's not a good place for a basketball.
No.
Oh, boy. Are you going to be a basketball player?
Good throw, Derek.
Derek, can you say basketball?
Can you go tell Dad? Go show Dad basketball. Tell him. What is it?
Can you say basketball? What? Basketball.
Basketball.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
basketball. What other things is Derek saying?
All kinds of things. What else did you say, Blake? It's basketball and
Belly
car.
button.
Belly button. Where's your
Derek.
belly button?
Derek,
No, you can't show off.
Oh,
where's Mom's belly button?
Mommy doesn't have one anymore.
Where's your belly button, Derek? It's
Can
hard
you
to
say
get
what
to in
it's
those
called?
bibs, huh?
What do you call it?
What's a belly button?
No.
No,
that's
no.
not what it says.
Don't play with that. No, no.
Uh-oh.
You got a bad cold, huh?
He calls it his butt key.
Oh, really? His butt key.
His butt key.
Oh.
Derek,
That's a belly button.
where's your belly button at?
Can you show him where your teeth are? Where's your teeth?
Show Dad.
Hey, Derek, where's your teeth at?
Where's your teeth?
Show Dad.
Right there. Where's your nose? Right there.
Up in.
Where's your eyes?
Where's your eyes at? Atta boy.
Where's your hair? Where's your ears? What are these?
Where's your leg
These
at?
are hands. What are these?
Hands.
What are these? What are these? Toes?
Feet.
What are these? Toes? Toes.
You silly. How fun. You know where everything is.
Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue?
You almost forgot.
Maybe you should stop and let's make sure we're getting it.
Okay.
No, wrong one. There you go.
Too little. Too little.
Oh no. Those go on your doll.
I can't go on you. Come here and show me what these are.
Go tell Mommy.
What's this? Phone. What's that? A car.
Turn your stereo on.
It's that big knob. Let's see.
Derek, what else is in there?
What's that? Kitty? Here, sit in your chair. Chair. Okay, let's find something. Oh, here's your shoe. It doesn't fit Derek.
Uh-oh, just on the toes. It's something.
What's this? What's this? Is it a doggy? Say puppy? Puppy?
Yes, that's excellent. Puppy. Exactly right.
Perfect.
Say mama.
Who's this? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Oh,
You tease.
is this Mom? Is this your
Who
mom?
am I?
That's Daddy.
Sure.
Daddy.
Of course. You knew all along.
You're a team. Yes.
That's my job. Now we'll notice a difference. With and without.
Hot, he says.
Hot.
Like a hot light. Here you go. Shoot.
Derek, do you know how to do a somersault?
Can you do a somersault? Show us how you do your
Can you do a trick on the carpet? Somersault?
Can you do a somersault?
Here. Show me how you do your somersault.
Over there?
You're doing over there. Can
That
you go
way.
do one?
Okay, we'll watch while you
Hey, Derek, go turn on the TV.
No. You know you're not supposed to know.
Now you tell me how to
He knows how to do it, though.
And he turns it on.
Oh. Do you like to watch Sesame Street? Big Bird and Grover? Yeah. Show me how you can walk.
Do a somersault for us. That shoe's a little small.
Oh dear. Boy.
Can
Where-
you do a somersault?
Somersault.
Will you stand on your head? Shoe.
Maybe he feels like he needs shoes on, huh?
He won't wear his shoes. He'll wear my shoes. He will wear
Derek,
mine.
where are the fish
And the
at?
Cabbage Patch, but not
Not
his. Oh, good.
Over there, huh?
Can you go show him the fish?
Joe and Paula, all the fish you've got.
Show Aunt Paula your fish. Fishies? Go show her. Let me see. Show her the fish.
Go take a look at the fish. Show her the
Take
fish.
your chair over there and show her your fish. I'll hold your shoe. You go show her the fish.
Let's go see your fish.
Fork is crooked.
Oh, this will be great. You remember the days when we were very strong-willed and had to do impossible tasks like wearing Cabbage Patch Kid shoes.
Where are the fish, Derek?
Show
Are you
Aunt
gonna
Paula
dance
your
now?
fish.
With that, you want to dance now? Is that what you want to do? Okay.
That should
It takes a second for it. It'll... Okay.
Something's here. The UPS man's come.
Oh, good.
Maybe that's a TV.
It looks like a toy. Yeah. Jonathan toy. Oh, good. That'll be fun. You can watch him open a toy. Maybe if he's supposed to have it.
Dance, little boy.
A toy! Shall we open it? You should see him. Toy!
A toy just came in the mail.
Come
Yeah.
Sit up here. We'll open it. Okay. Let's see what it is.
Have a hard time winking one eye, Blake.
Yeah.
We could switch it to the other side. That's the side I use. I mean, this whole thing switches.
Oh, it's the boat for your bathtub.
Oh, for fun!
All right.
Look. Oh my goodness.
Derek knows how it goes already.
Wash your hair, isn't it?
I bet that makes bubbles, do you think?
Bet it does.
Oh. Just putting that inside now. Take a half a minute. Uh-oh.
Careful. Please be careful.
Careful.
Let's turn that down.
Should we see what we've got? Or you wanna get
Okay.
more?
Yep.
You're so smart.
Where's the yellow one?
Where's the yellow one? Did you find a yellow? Yay for yellow. Got orange.
No. That's brown.
May have to look on the table.
Yeah. Oh, Trent, he knows that's orange. Come here, Trent.
Orange.
Trent told me, and I told him.
Sit on my
We
nose.
helped with that one. You're gonna wave to Paula.
Say I'm a movie star.
Hi, Paula.
Oh.
Say I'm wonderful.
Trent, wave at your mom and say,
Derek,
hi.
say I'm
Wave at
wonderful.
your mother.
Say I'm wonderful.
You surely are wonderful. Mr. Wonderful is your name.
Who is that good-looking man on his right there? Is that Mr. Trent?
That's Trent Besant.
Isn't that Mr. Trent Besant?
Which one?
Is that
Where's
your
Bob?
Paula?
Mike and Spencer's out there.
Say how you doing, Paula?
Now you got a what?
Ask Paula how she's doing.
I'm,
Paula.
Notice
I'm doing fine. Hey, I understand Santa Claus is coming. Yeah.
What's he gonna
Hey,
bring?
all right.
What's he gonna bring? Derek? Derek?
Oh,
Is Santa Claus coming over to
What's
Santa
Santa
Claus?
Claus gonna bring you?
Okay.
A bike and puzzles.
All
what's he got
right.
for you, Trent?
Puzzles. Do you like puzzles, Derek?
Anyway,
Did he bring you a bike?
It makes me smart.
What kind of puzzles do you get?
I don't know.
Like,
Is he gonna come to your house, Trent?
Yeah, I want a bike.
Let's go. No, don't throw it. Hit it. Like that. Hey, you go do it. Woo!
Good one. Oh, look at that.
Don't throw it, Derek.
Okay, hit her, Derek. Good swing. One more time.
I believe he's seen his dad play golf before. He looks like that's a golf club.
Got a golf swing.
Whoa, way to go!
All right. Which one's going? Which one's yours, Dad? Oh, you have red.
Where's the blue ball?
Derek's got it. Hold lower on the belt, like hold it about right
Okay.
there. Get the ball down and use two hands. Yeah. Careful. Okay, here it goes.
Take it really slow. Don't jerk around.
Let's see, Jack.
Take it slow. That's too quick.
Where's Derek?
Go take a picture of the cake. Courtney, what are you doing?
Where do we picture of the cake?
Just take it slow.
Where do we put these right now?
Put it over on that table.
Go show my mom.
you
Like
do is
the
get
last
hers.
two
It's so hard because, now it's
Okay.
around. And usually she's
Guys, now.
Is it far enough away?
As far away from Derek.
Okay.
Craig. Say it.
Birthday.
How old are you going to be?
2?
What day is your birthday?
Give me 3.
On what day?
August 13 and 9, give me
Right. And then he's going to be 4. Well, he just blew him out.
Well, let
Wait,
us
till we
sing, okay?
Let us sing first.
You have to
okay?
wait till we're finished singing, all right?
Okay.
Well, we'll need to count Haley.
Sing to you.
Right, set.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Derek. Happy birthday to you.
They blew out.
The wind blew him out. So can we light him again?
Okay.
Okay, make a wish.
Hey, Matthew, move out of the way, will you?
Okay, whoa. Whoa. Party bacon. Party.
Yay!
Oh, he gets his wish.
Good job, Derek.
Okay.
Matthew's still chowing, huh?
You need more than one for that one? You need you want me to give you a copy of that master for American Executive Plaza, or you want to get that one?
I've been letting her.
Yeah. Oh, I've got the master, so I can give you the master and you can use it.
Turn around, Halian.
Okay, Craig. Say hi. Where's Haley's eyes?
Smiles like her brother does.
Where's Haley's eyes? Show Craig.
Hi, Haley.
Where's your eyes? Where's Haley's eyes? Oh, God. Where's your nose? Beep, 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 beep. Where's your toes?
Very good.
Toes. Where's your teeth? Where's your tongue? Where's your ears? Ears. Where's your ears? Here they are. Where are they? Ears. Ears. Can you call to Derek? Should hear. Turn that on the video. Derek!
Yeah, well, I was going to peek in her mouth and see if I could see a tooth coming through, because I can tell she's teething there. Yeah, you want me to nip in her mouth. Yeah. Are you scolding me? Oh, goodness, it wasn't that bad. I promise.
That's true. But not everything.
Oh, I wanted to see how much.
I have to take my clothes off. It's dinner time.
Here's Dad.
You silly girl.
Missy. Here, Dad.
He is going to camping.
Can you remember what that is? Yeah. Okay. Do you have some keys you need copies?
That's me, all right. Supergirl. It's so fun to swing up to the telephone wire with your. You can touch it. You shake my nerves and ram my brain. You take my left as a man and clean. Oh, geez. Hell to you shake my nerves and you ram my brain. Yeah, man. You shake my nerves and you ram my brain.
Is to get a box with lots of dividers so I can
Make it stand up straight.
no, just take them off this and put them in that and remark it so.
Smile for the birdie, Connie.
Well, not really.
And we are going to ask the mommies and the daddies to come and do this with us. Would you go get your mommy or your daddy and take a hold of their hands and have them come over to our seat?
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Mama. Over here. Over here, Daddy.
Sure, boy. Take the camera.
He fixed it.
No, you come.
He's hopping over to you too. Mallory, did you find your mommy? I can see her. These children have never seen this before. We wanted to introduce it to them today with the mommies and the daddies, and this is called a parachute. A parachute is something that men wear on their backs when they jump out of an airplane, and when they pull a string, after they jump out of the airplane, the parachute goes, when it's on their back, it's just really little like this. But when they pull the string, the parachute goes really big. And the air makes the parachute go down very slowly, so the man that jumped out of the airplane is going out slowly. We are going to do some tricks with our parachute today. Would you please grab hold of an edge? Carol, would you come over by me? I need a helper. Crawl right underneath. Right underneath. Come on over, Carol. We can do lots of fun things with a parachute. Do you know what we're going to do first? We're going to make ocean waves. Everybody just make little ocean waves. Little ocean waves. Oh, little ocean waves. Now make big ocean waves. Big ocean waves. Bigger. Oh, the wind is making the waves go so big. Now really big. Oh, the wind is making a hurricane. It's getting slower. The wind is making the waves go down. Oh, the wind stopped. No ocean. We are going to go up.
right down to the form. Trap it inside. But you must wait till we say 3. We have to get the air inside first. Here we go. Trap it on 3. 1. There's a little bit of air. 2. A little bit more. 3. Trap it. Trap it. Don't let it out. Don't let it out. Look, you got a lot of air inside, didn't we? Oh, there it's going. It's kind of going out slowly. Ooh, let's do that. One more time. Okay. See if we can catch some air inside. 1. 2. 3. Trap it. Catch it. There's no big one. Oh, the air was trapped inside. Really big. Oh, it's going out. Everybody smash it. All of you. Now stand up one more time. Hold it very still. I'm going to put something right in there. Now, do you know what we're going to pretend? We're going to pretend that is popcorn. And we are the popcorn. And we're cold right now. And when a popcorn popper is a little warmer, a little warmer. Put it right in the middle. We'll do that one more time. Not too hard, Brian. Not quite right. Okay. Why don't we slide? Nicole, if you can move a little bit closer to Jacob. We're going to slide down a little bit and make room for Miss Kathleen. Okay, this is the last time for the popcorn. So let's do a really big one. It's really cold. Popcorn's not moving. Just a little bit. Just getting another one. A little bit more. Oh, it's so hot! Oh, pop the popcorn. Oh, we have more. And trap the mouse. Here we go. Little mouse. Little mouse. Come into our house. Okay, should we let the mouse out and choose a different mouse? Clayton, would you like to do that? Okay, wait a minute, Clayton. Wait until we tell you to do it. Okay, Clayton, when you say house, you go in the house. Here we go, Matthew. On tight. Little mouse, come into our house. Trap me out. I think we have a giggling mouse. Come on in. Who wants to be our mouse? Matthew, would you like to be our mouse? Okay, don't go in yet, Matthew. Wait till we say house. Here we go, Kennedy. Ready? Little mouse, come into our house. Oh, that was a really good mouse. Come on out, Matthew. Oh, we got 2 mice in there. Nicholas, were you a friend to that mouse? Who else would like to be a mouse?
I will.
Would you like to be a little mouse? Come into our house. Come on in. Whoa, you went into the food house. Okay, let's let him out. Okay, come on. Okay, do you know what we're doing right now? Kennedy, do you want to be a mouse this time? Who didn't get a chance? You want to be a mouse, Mallory? Kennedy and Mallory. Derek, would you like to be a mouse? Jamie, would you like to be a mouse? Oh, listen, we've got Kennedy. My turn. We've got Kennedy for a mouse. Mallory, don't you want to be a mouse, Kennedy? You don't have to if you don't want to. Mallory's going to be a mouse, and Jamie's going to be a mouse. Here we go. Little mouse, come into our house. Woo! Oh, let's run around. Oh, they were wonderful. We got 3 of them. Dad and Laura. Nobody else.
Millions of them, huh?
Oh, that's neat. You guys make those? Oh, that's cool. Oh.
Okay, here's Laura.
Go ahead. Any more? Isn't there any more to the song than that? Don't you know any more than that? No?
No? You want to sing something else? Why don't you tell Dad that Kennedy is your best friend?
He is? Oh, I could tell that.
Who's your best friend, Kennedy?
Look over here and tell him. Right on the tree.
Oh,
Derek is your best friend.
Derek is my best friend.
Okay, say goodbye.
Say, we're going to be dragons for Halloween.
Just deal with it.
What else?
We're going to be dragons for Halloween.
We're going to be dragons for Halloween.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Say goodbye.
Say bye.
Not enough.
I bought it.
Stay back here in line.
Hi, Derek.
You want to go sit on the grass?